uhamba kiyo ungabe usayibona nabantu ugcina ungasabezwa eduze kwakho lezinto ezazigugu kuwe zishabalala in front of your face. But kunento bazalwane emi ungunaphakade engena kunyakaziswa lithi izwi lenkosi kuyodlula izulu nomhlaba. Oh, kodwa izwi lakhe limi ungunaphakade. Lithi banjalo abathembele kuye banjengentaba yaseSiyoni ngeke banyakaziseke. He's our God, our faithful God. Sibona Isaac la, he's trying to rebuild, he's trying to ukuvusa into eyakhiwa ubaba wakhe. Uzama ukuvula imithombo ngoba isitha nasike safika siyayicisha impela. Kunabafana indawo engake ngababona, labafana babulala inyoka. Ngababuza ukuthi nibulalelani le nyoka ngoba isesigangeni inihluphe ngani. Wathi engiphendula wathi mfundisi, into yokuqala le nyoka ayisibonanga, yithina esiyibonile namhlanje. And number 2, ayisenzanga lutho. Kahle kahle siyibulaleni into eyenze namhlanje ayenzanga lutho. Uthi lo mfana sibulalela into ezoyenza kusasa. Oh hallelujah. So nje Nkosi yami. So ke ingozi ila ekutheni ukuthi isitha sikubone ungakaziboni what are you capable of. Akumele sikubone ungakaziboni ukuthi wena unikezweni, uphetheni, ungubani, uyapi. Ngoba once sakubona ungakaziboni sizokuqitha. The devil can use anything to destroy your life. But immediately once you discover ukuthi ungubani, wenzwe ngani, what's your assignment, nanoma usathana ngeza nani trying to destroy you, ayithusi lento ezanayo, uthemba lo okwenzile. Kuthiwa amabhilidi waseChina ayikho neyodwa ibhilidi eChina ene-foundation ye-concrete. Buyi. Bathi bawademolishe wonke ane-foundation ye-concrete phansi. Batshintshe i-foundation bafaka yerabha phansi. Bafaka i-foundation yerabha. So kunale season yokuthi umhlaba uzamazame ngendlela ethusayo eChina. So ke ngenkathi umhlaba uzamazama bonke abaseChina abakulama bhilidi akhiwe eChina abehlelwa uvalo ngoba bathemba i-foundation yabo iraba. Uma i-building inyakaza kustretcheka le raba bese i-building iphinde ibuyele ime. Kanjalo abasebenzisa izwi likaNkulunkulu ese-foundation noma bezanyazanyiswa. Uthobhale kahle uthi nokuba umhlaba uzanyazanyiswa. Ukuba umhlaba uzanyazanyiswa. So now Isaac is trying ukuvula lemithombo. So isitha ke sizolwisa wonke umuntu on an assignment. Ungambuza uFaro ukuthi umbulalelani uMoses emncane kangaka engazi next wabulala bonke abantwana. Ungazibuza ukuthi uHerode ubabulalela labantwana efuna ukubulala uJesu angakwazi nokuthi mama baba. He's attacking the future. He wants to destroy the future. So now ngenkathi uIsaac ezama ukuvula lemithombo, lithi izitha zazimlisa asebenze nzima eseyivusile lemithombo bese bamhudule bamsusa. But lapha kuverse 16 ngithanda lento ekhulunywa uAbimeleki athi kuye Isaac usumkhulu kakhulu ukuthi ungahlala phakathi kwethu. Abantu abazokubona ukuthi uyasuka from kwi-level okiyo, you are going somewhere, abantu abangakholelwa kuwe. Izitha zakho yizo ezikwazi ukutrace i-progress quick in your life. Laba abakholelwa kuwe abakunaki kakhulu, but laba abangakholelwa kuwe, they check each and every step obanayo. Nezinto ezincane bazimaka because angithi bakwi-competition. So now Isaac, he was not aware ukuthi ngenkathi mamfundisi, he was striking the ground. You spoke about that. The time he was striking the ground, emba evula imithombo, wangayeka nanoma sebamhlupha. Inkinga yakho ke ila ekutheni ukuthi usuwembile bese sithi amasifika bese uyayeka uthi sengisebenze 2 times or 3 times or 4 years ngiloko ngenza into eyodwa, but akubonakali kune progress or kubonakala kwangathi izitha ziyangisebenzisa ukuze zingithathele yonke lento inkosi engisize ukuthi ngiyibuthelele nzima futhi ngiyinyembezi. Ngiyamthanda uIsaac in the very same situation. Asimbone complainer, asimbone sola uNkulunkulu, asimboni alwa nalaba abamqothayo, ngoba bazalwane iqiniso lithi if uNkulunkulu ukunikile ngizoyiphinda kunequlu elinye elinamandla kakhulu nina nilazi ma 2000 elithi Modimo re file lena ulitimile ke re batho ba